Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super cute, soft, defined twist out using Olie Oil products, then just keep watching this video. I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved it, and you see it look bomb. So just stay tuned. So you guys, I'm starting off with cleaned hair. I used the Heal and Repair Deconditioner to decondition my hair. And to style today, I'll be using this Moisture Mist, Kato's Curl Custard, and the Missy's Daily Blend, all by Olie Oils. I have an unboxing telling all the ingredients and stuff already on my channel. I'll make sure that's linked down below and up above as well. But right here, I'm just showing you like a quick little link check. So to get started with this twist out, I'm kind of just looking at my hair and seeing what side I want my part on, and you will see the side I decided on, and this is it. And once I choose that, I'm just pulling the whole top half of my hair up, parting the back half, and I'm getting started on the actual twist out itself. So to start off with this first section, I'm using water to dampen my hair so I can detangle it with my wide tooth comb, which you see right here. I always start off with detangling because I like to wash my hair the night before I style it. So I have to detangle. So once I do that, I'm going in with my Evolve like detangling brush, and then I'm actually going to go in with the Moisture Mist. So this Moisture Mist is an aloe-based detangling mist. It's great for like moisture or adding moisture to dry hair. So that's why I'm making sure to really go in with this, really focusing on my roots and stuff, because my roots get really tangly as well. You would think my ends get super tangly, but my roots really do. So I'm making sure to go in nicely with this, and then combing through with my brush. And now it's time to go in with the Kato's Curl Custard. So this Curl Custard is a very moisturizing custard in my opinion. It doesn't have like the super hardest hold, which I liked for this particular style. It gave my hair enough hold though. So I worked that all the way in. And this first section I didn't feel like was wet enough. So after I do that, I'm gonna spritz it with just a tiny bit more water. And then I'm going in with the Missy's Daily Blend. This is an oil. This Daily Blend has a lot of good oils in it. It has peach kernel oil, organic coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and so many more. And it also has some Madagascar vanilla beans, so it smells so delicious. As you just seen, I worked the oil through my hair, brushed it out one more time, and now it's time to twist. As you can see, I twist and hold my hair relatively tightly because I want definition. And to get definition, your hair has to be held pretty tight. And as I go through, multiple times I want to take my fine tooth comb and go through my hair just to make sure it's all smooth. And once I get to the ends of my hair, you will see in just a sec, my ends look very straggly. So I'm going to go in with my trimming scissors and cut them ends off. And once it's cut off, you can tell my ends look so much better. At this point, I'm just repeating all those steps all around my hair. So again, right here, you see me going in with the Moisture Mist, and then I'm going in with the custard, applying that from roots to ends. I would go in with the Missy's Daily Blend, and then I would get to twisting this hair up. So my part is on the left side. So you see me parting that out. I'm just going to make sure that part is straight. And then I'm going to kind of extend the section back to create this twist on this side. I would call this a chunky twist out because it's only 6 twists. And majority of the times my twist outs be like, you know, more than 6 twists. So I call this a chunky twist out. But with my hair density, it could just be considered a regular one. I don't know, y'all. I call it chunky. So it's only going to be 6 twists, 2 in the back, 1 on either side, and 2 on the top. So yeah, you see me just applying more product and gonna get twisting. And I also trimmed every like twist. Like I cut the ends off of every twist. That's why my ends gonna look real good. And I'm really focusing on making this twist specifically smooth because, again, that's where my part is. And I really love like a sleek part. Like, it's just, it looks really good to me. So that's why, you know, I made sure that twist was especially sleek. And right here, you see me on my very, very last twist. And I'm just going to go ahead and run through that. Y'all already know the steps by now. Missy's blend, the custard, which I'm applying now, and the oil. And now I am about to start twisting my hair, getting it together. And again, I'm braiding very tightly, and I would suggest that you braid tightly just to make sure your hair has the utmost definition. And once I'm done with all 6 twists, I'm going to go in with the Missy's Daily Blend and put that all on my scalp, on my section, on my parts, and rub it in. This oil smells so good, y'all. Like, yeah, it smells so delicious.
Okay, y'all, so I literally only have like 6 twists in all. I went for more like a chunky look. This is how I did my first ever twist out that I did a few years ago, and I don't know, wanted to redo it. My hair has gotten so freaking long, like, oh my gosh.
Quick like update before I move on to like separating my hair. I really like this custard, this Kato's curl custard. It has enough moisture within itself. My hair doesn't feel dry at all, which I really like. I really did enjoy this Missy's Daily Blend hair oil. Obviously, this was like my first time really using it to seal in my hair, but it just smells so freaking good. But I like this so far, and it seems to be very lightweight. It wasn't heavy or anything, so, and it smells so good. That's why I went ahead and put some on my scalp and stuff so my hair can just hold on to this smell. Now this, it's a moisture, the moisture mist, and it's a detangling mist. I guess I should have sprayed this on my hair before I detangled. It had a little bit of moisture of its own, and it gave my hair a little bit of definition. I just really did not like this pump. I did not like that at all. Like, it's with my hands being wet, it's really hard to keep the grip. But if it was in a different like packaging, this would be fire. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. It's noon right now. I'm gonna take this down in the morning. I want to give my hair a full 24 hours to dry. I'm gonna do one more spin around and then I'm gonna go. And then this is my hair the next morning. This was a little spin around I recorded for Instagram. But as you can tell in this clip, these twists are so juicy. That's what I love about a chunky twist out. You're going to get the juiciest twist. And this is me showing y'all, you know, my twists after I got dressed, put on my jewelry and all that good stuff. But I'm going to take this Missy's Daily Blend and I'm going to put a really good amount on my hands, y'all. Like, my hands are going to be coated. My hands are coated. I'm going to rub some of the oil on my twist before actually unraveling to, you know, help with frizz. And y'all, look at this definition. The definition is literally impeccable, and it's going to be impeccable when I unravel every single twist, which you will see right here. So now it's time to separate. So I'm going to take my clip and clip my hair up so I can get a good view of this section. And I just pull the section apart. If it feels like it could possibly be frizzy, then I twirl the end around my finger. But other than that, I just separate it. Since this is just a plain twist out with no rod or anything at the end, it's relatively easy to just separate. And again, if you think your ends are just a little bit frizzy, since you have oil on your fingers, you can just go ahead and twirl it around and it will literally like clear that frizz right on up. And this is how this section looks once it is completely separated and whatnot. And I think it looks pretty good. So I was already hopeful at this point. And then right here, I went ahead and separated all the curls. And I am working on the very, very last section. Once I get done with that little last piece, I'm going to take the leftover oil on my hands and just spread that on the little part. And I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and fluff my hair, separate any remaining pieces that need to be separated, and just like, you know, play with it until it looks how I want it to look, if that makes sense. Once that's done, it's time to lay these edges. And I'm just doing it kind of quickly. I'm not doing nothing too fancy or anything, just quick little swoops. And I'm also going to lay the edges on the other side as well. And once I get done with that, this is how I'm looking. As you can see, it's very defined. It's very fluffy as well, though. It's a nice balance of the two. My hair looks soft. It is soft. It's just a really good twist out. And I like how the curls look. I'm very happy I went and decided to do a chunky twist out. But here is a quick spin around after I did all of that. And I'll be back with you with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, so I just showed y'all like my bathroom spin around, but this is the final result of this twist out using Olie Oils. As you can tell, I have so much definition. Like, I'm surprised. This side came out better from what I'm seeing than this side right here, but this side still looks good. I wonder what I did differently right here. But yeah, it's so freaking pretty and defined. My hair has grown so much since my last twist out. It's literally crazy. My last twist out was Olie Oils, if I'm not mistaken. Was it? I think my last twist out was Olie Oils as well. It definitely was. My last twist out was them. And I used the berry curl conditioner. And as y'all saw this time, I used the custard, the Kato's Curl Custard, the moisture mist, and the hair oil. And my hair looks so freaking good. So if you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one.